The first person to go to the moon was an American astronaut named Neil Armstrong. He was a part of the Apollo 11 mission, which was launched on July 16, 1969, from the Kennedy Space Center in Florida. Armstrong, along with fellow astronauts Buzz Aldrin and Michael Collins, flew aboard the Apollo 11 spacecraft towards the moon. After a journey of 4 days, they entered lunar orbit and prepared to land on the moon's surface. On July 20, 1969, Armstrong and Aldrin climbed into the lunar module, which separated from the command module and began its descent towards the moon's surface. As they descended, they encountered a number of technical problems, but ultimately were able to safely land the lunar module on the moon's surface. At 10:56 p.m. EDT, Neil Armstrong stepped out of the lunar module, becoming the first human being to set foot on the moon. He famously uttered the words, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind." Armstrong and Aldrin spent a total of 21 hours on the moon's surface, conducting experiments, collecting samples, and planting the American flag. They then rejoined Collins in the command module and began the journey back to Earth. The Apollo 11 mission was a historic achievement for NASA and for humanity as a whole. It marked the culmination of years of effort and dedication by thousands of scientists, engineers, and other professionals, and remains an inspiration to people around the world.